Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a template in FL Studio. First, open FL Studio and configure your mixer, instruments, and effects exactly how you like them for a new project. This initial setup is crucial for building a foundation that reflects your personal workflow. Think about the plugins you use most often and any routing you consistently apply. This will be the starting point for all your future creative sessions. Once your project is perfectly arranged, navigate to the File menu at the top left of FL Studio. From there, select Save as Template. A window will pop up asking you to name your new template. Choose a descriptive name like My Hip Hop Template or Vocal Recording Setup so you can easily find it later. This step locks in all your hard work, making it accessible for future projects with just a few clicks. To use your newly created template, simply open FL Studio. Instead of starting a completely blank project, go to File and then New from Template. You'll see a list of available templates, including the one you just saved. Select your custom template, and FL Studio will load it, complete with all your pre-configured mixer tracks, instruments, and effects. This streamlines your creative process, letting you jump straight into making music. Using templates in FL Studio significantly enhances your workflow, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on setup. They ensure consistency across your projects, giving your sound a cohesive feel. Remember to regularly update your templates as your production style evolves. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.